Hit it, boys.
It's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another travel vlog. So we just came from an 11-day traveling around the Philippines. Super fun. Shot some really nice content for you guys. I'm so excited to edit the vlogs. I probably publish it already.
Most of the cinematic shots you will see in those videos are shot on the Sony a7 III and the Sony a7S II. But today we're here to talk about another Sony camera.
This bad boy. Woo. This year I decided to invest in camera gears. I actually wanted to buy the cameras that he has. I fell in love with shooting with Sony. I decided to get this one. I just want nice shots and informative because I travel. They said the latest RX100 6 is the best vlogging camera. Super handy. I'll probably get a strap for this. I also got some accessories. Honestly, I don't know much about cameras. He's the camera geek here. Without him, I wouldn't be interested in improving my vlogs.
Together we're a good team, definitely.
Yes, the marketing.
Woo. Hey, let me say something about this as a cinematographer.
Okay.
You know? So the new Sony RX100 is well known for being the fastest autofocus in the world on the market right now. Apparently it's like 0.03 seconds when it finds your face.
Sometimes when I talk, it focuses more on the background than my face, which is weird.
Also has a zoom from, I think it's 24 to 200. So me as a cinematographer, I'll have to wear a huge backpack just to carry all those different lenses, while here you get it all
you do.
in a digital soup. So
it is really heavy.
That's awesome for someone. I mean, this is such a powerful little baby in your pocket. Super excited to try it.
First, I think we need to charge it.
That's probably not. In order to charge that thing is a charging cable. So here you'll just charge your batteries directly in the camera.
He's the one who keep on telling me, oh, you should get this, you should get that.
So this memory card right here that she's looking at right now has a 300 megabytes per second writing speed. You can't just buy any memory card because if it's a slow memory card, files could be corrupted when you're recording them in high quality. And this shoots up to 970 frames per second slow motion.
I don't need like your camera, like the big lens.
That's why you're also needing this this tough memory card, which is really important. So this is the light that she can easily attach on top of the camera. Mount it with that, as like the function buttons on the side. You know, sometimes it's just smarter to just invest in a great camera and a great memory card right away. This is like a little mini tripod thing.
You can call me Avelovinit, the pro travel vlogger.
Oh my god, this is so cool. So this small little tripod that she's got has a photo button, a record button, and a zoom function right at her fingertips.
I can't wait to try that one out.
Here you guys see how it is. This thing is turning out so cool. Let's see.
Sorry, pro vlogger now. What's up? And good morning. We're here in Amalfi. I'm trying out my Sony RX100 Mark VI. To get around Amalfi, I definitely recommend for you guys to rent out a car. But this time, since we're going to drink, not gonna drive today. I'm so happy about that. Rented out a taxi, which is 70 euros per way. I know it's pricey, but it's better than to drink and drive. And it's more convenient for us as well because we don't have to find for parking anymore. The cruise will take us about 8 hours and we're going to Capri as well. They said it also comes with drinks and some charcuteries. I'm gonna try out the RX100 Mark VI zoom. I'm gonna try to zoom that one in. Ooh. As you can see, it's all clear. What the heck? It's still clear. Wow, that is so far. You guys see the difference? I'm gonna zoom it out again for you guys. Look how far. We rented out this boat for 900 euros. So we have to put our shoes inside this basket. Wow, your Burberry bikini. Yeah, we have a dining area here. We have a small room. This is our toilet. Nice. We also have a kitchen. Galli Island. They said it is a private island. They also use this island for ceremonies and all. But of course, you have to pay. Cha-ching. So if you want to spend a week here, you gotta pay 50,000 euros. It's not that much, you know. But you know, you don't have to pay just to look at it. It's for free. I don't have my drone with me, but they said that it looks like a dolphin in area. From the sky, you will see that it looks like a dolphin. Malamig! Ang lamig! Malamig! Again! Musta? Wow. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I only see this in photos and videos. Now we're here. Now we're here. Chilling. So nice. Dito. Yan guys, ganyan
Will you know which side you will be fighting for?
Driving in Capri. Wow.
Bash, parang nakakatakot bumaba dyan.
I believe. Wait, Besh, make sure the stomach is flat.
Do it.
I believe. Jack! Where are you, Jack?
He's there.
Jack! Hey, hi, Jack, hi. You're not telling me you have a yacht, ha? Arrived here in Capri. Yeah. There are a lot of Capris in the Philippines, you know. Capris, Windies, Manananggal, you know.
2, 1.
Yay!
I like that.
Yay! Snacks. Cheers, guys. Cheers! Cheers! Who is she though?
Who is
Avelovinit 2.0. Ay, ito na si Kuya.
Vuoi ricordarti o no?
So we need to take a small boat. Hi, this is our boatman. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
Nicola.
We have to dock all the way there and take a small boat. to eat at this restaurant. Oh my gosh, look how clear the water is. Wow! Although there's not much sand, it's all pebbles, like super pebbly beach. We're just swimming by the beach, and your girl got stung by a jellyfish. So in case you guys get stung by a jellyfish, go to the lifeguard. They usually have a vinegar or a spray for that. Just like this. What's this?
Ammoniaca. I don't know in English.
Only
Yes.
pat. Okay. Thank you. For our next stop, we are here at the Green Cave. Although you can't swim because the waves are a little bit crazy. Wow, look how blue the water is.